About Descendants. This is Basil from Thunder Beach. At the Georgian Bay Heritage League, we have Labatt Descendants working on boats. And we have two lovely ladies over there. If you can see this one here, Elevate L'Esperance and Labatt Descendants from Thunder Beach. And you've got Susie Lafreniere over here, another descendant over here. And I'm another descendant. And hang on, I'm going to grab the camera for a minute. See if I can do this. And here's another descendant right here doing the camera. So there you go. Any Labatt descendants who would like to join the club and help us on these historical boats, that'd be great. Now, look at the boats we have here. We just received a 1905 Gidley boat that we're going to restore. And next to it is a 1945 Norse built in Penetang. And to the left over here, we have a 1951 Brute that we're working on. So I'm putting a calling out to all Labatt descendants. If you'd like to join the club, learn how to work on boats. As you can see, we have men and women in this club. So anyway, we put the fiddle tunes and they work faster. Okay, thank you.